Hello and good evening to all of you. Hope you are well. Welcome back again to this channel. So, in this video, we'll discuss the job openings from Qatar. I hope you all have known that this is a Gulf country. So, guys, if you have a dream to move Gulf country to job, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the basic requirements to apply for this job, everything details we can discuss in this video. So, let's start. This is a job openings and shortlisting is in progress at Ambe International Recruitment and Mobility. This is a good consultancy. So the job openings is urgent vacancies. So don't be wait. If you are really eligible for this job, then you can apply as soon as possible and you can visit to the office and verify all the things. So let's start and know what is the job position are available. First, project manager tank, project manager piping, planning engineer, QA QC engineer, painting supervisor, electrician, storekeeper, mechanic, welding inspector, 3-ton pickup light driver, 1-ton pickup light driver, crane operator, forklift operator, boom truck operator, admin and storekeeper, scaffolding supervisor, scaffolding only escape, scaffolding helper, and blaster only escape, spray painter, brush painter, Foreman piping and structural only Excel. So guys, as you can see here, there are many types of job openings. So if you are interested to apply, first of all, you need to know for any of this position, you should have the proper certifications with proper experience in the relevant field, which job position you want to apply. So this is the urgent vacancies and don't be waste your time. First of all, verify if you are really eligible for any of this position. Then visit to the office, Ambe International. I will provide you the address and contact number, so you can visit to the office and you can verify. Why I am telling you to visit to the office? Because I am sharing you the information, but your responsibility is you have to verify the consultancy or you have to check it each and everything. If you will be satisfied, then you can proceed further. So as I already shared in my previous videos that don't give a single money to any person or any office without any process or without confirmation. I am not responsible for that. That's why I'm telling you again and again in my all videos. I am sharing you the informations, but your responsibility, you have to check it, you have to verify this, and if you'll get satisfied, then only you can forward for this process. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm saying. And the thing is, there are huge job openings, different types of job positions. For which position you want to apply, you have the proper certification, proper qualifications and experience, so that you can apply by this official email ID. This is the official email ID. This information also available in the descriptions below this video. You can collect this, you can know what is the job position and what is the email ID, so that you can apply by this official email ID. First of all, you need to know what you have to send. You have to send your updated CV. You have to make it be professional. It should be a professional CV, and after update it, you have to forward in the official email ID which is in front of you right here. So the contact numbers are also available. You can follow up to the office. So very important point I am going to share with you. Listen very carefully. First of all, you need to verify that for which position you are eligible as per qualifications and experience. After confirmation regarding this, then the second point, you have to collect this official email ID with official contact number. Then you have to visit the office, Ambe International, which is in Mumbai. The branch is in Mumbai. So you can also contact and you can directly ask to the office location and you can visit to the office. After you visit to the office, verify all the things. Once you get satisfied, this is genuine process, then you can proceed forward. You have to send your CV and then confirmation from the office. Then your CV will be shortlisted. Then they will inform you what is the job interview and what is the date and time, so you can attend the interview. Once you crack the interview, the medical process, the visa process will be started by the company. This is the entire process. I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. So first of all, I already told you, again I am repeating you again and again, you can get the official email ID, official contact number, official name and address. So right here, the office name is enough. You can ask by this contact number what is the official location, Ambe International in Mumbai. So you can visit the office. This is very important point. Once you visit to the office, everything will be easy for you. You can get all information. You can get information about the interview date and time. You can get also the information regarding how to crack the interview. Everything details you can update from the office so that it will be easy to forward this process. So I hope I explained all the things to you. If you have any doubt or any question, you can drop your question. I am ready to answer you, no issues. So first of all, I would like to request you, please share this informations. Maybe your friends or relatives or any candidates want to apply in Qatar job. So as soon as possible, share this information. And if you are really eligible as a candidate, I already explained you all the process. Please follow those. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me, and you can apply as soon as possible. So I hope the all details are explained right here, and I hope you will share this information to your friends and relatives. And of course, in the next video, I will try to give you the information regarding the recent job openings from other countries. Up to that, check each and every videos in this channel and collect the informations and apply as soon as possible. One suggestion from my side: if you are looking for a abroad job with a good salary, then you have to keep patience. You have to try again and again. You have to attend each and every client interview. After you continuing your client interview, you will get experience how to crack the interview. After that, of course, you will get a confidence. According to that confidence, you can attend more to more interviews. Then, of course, one day you will crack the interviews and you can select and you can move abroad with a job with a good salary. So this is the real process. So I hope I explained all the things. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, I will come in the next video with latest job information from other countries. Up to that, best of luck. Goodbye.